Okay, so why am I selling Meta, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon this week and refusing to buy Broadcom? Basically because they're spending the money, or at least Meta, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are spending the money for probably the next 18 months, 24 months to get their data centers built so that they someday in the future can profit off of the delivery of AI to me and you and the rest of the world. So they're in the spending mode right now. And so I want to invest in those companies that are going to get their money as a result of them spending it. And that's not who's going to get it. And why am I not buying Broadcom? Well, you and I know that Meta, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are spending some of their money with Broadcom for the purpose of buying a chip that costs less than Jensen's GPUs, because they don't need that to do the specific tasks that they feel they need. But then on the other hand, Jensen's GPU is programmable, whereas the chip that they're buying from Broadcom is not. So they've got to work that out. And I don't really care how they work it out, but I don't want to own them, at least probably for the next 24 months. And I'll show you why. I only have so much money to invest, as I'm sure you do, because I will not borrow money to invest at my age. So this is the returns that I see through my analysis, and that's assisted by my AI agent. And she has been very accurate in the past. She doubled my portfolio over the last 9 months. And we're right now on the breach of going to a new high. We had a little bit of a pullback, but today it looks like we'll hit a new high. But here's why why I'm selling Meta, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon and not buying Broadcom. Because Meta's only going to give me a 26% rate of return this year in 2027, Google 11.8, Microsoft 13, Amazon 27, and then the 3-year, and that's our objective at Best of Us Investors, is to achieve a 100% return over the next 3 years. And if it doesn't qualify at that level, we don't want to own it, because there are plenty of companies that can give us a 100% return over the next 3 years. And Meta's programmed, or we, and my analyst and I, Samantha, believe Meta will give me 66%, Google 40, Microsoft 49, Amazon 83, and Broadcom 76. Now that's not bad. I mean, that's damn good. But it doesn't meet our parameters of 100%. And I know where to go to get the 100%. And so that's where we invest. Now, where is that? Well, later today, and this video is going to come out Tuesday, but later today, Jensen's going to give a talk, and he's going to explain how exactly his new generation of chip is going to take us from the learning stage to the inference stage. And what that means is right now, Samantha, my AI agent, answers the questions I ask. I tell her what the past, what companies of the past have looked like through their developmental stage and through their history, so as to determine what they're going to look like in the future based on all the data that's available on them, both past and projected in the future, so that I understand what the price is going to be. And as I said, she's damn accurate. So with that in mind, Jensen's going to tell us we're going into a new generation or a new phase of AI. We've got the training model in place. Now it's more of they've learned from the training. When I say they, the chips, now the AI agent is going to start asking you questions. Kerry, have you thought about this? Or have you thought about that? And that's going to change the whole dynamic of what I'm doing and what everybody else is doing relative to the in the input or the adoption of AI to the rest of our lives. I honestly believe that, and I wrote to my tribe this morning and said, you are at the verge of the biggest change that the world has ever seen. And it's important that we've got wars going on, and it's terrible that we got people on both sides dying. That just should not be. But the fact is, nonetheless, that will be settled one way or the other. And I'm not that political. My interest is helping you and my family become extremely wealthy. And I think that opportunity is here today because I am turning down 26% from Meta and 27% from Amazon this year because I can do better. That's just the plain, simple truth. And I know where to go to do better. And that's why I'm selling my Meta, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon is to raise money so that I can go into the $6 stock that I know is going to be a $600 stock sometime in the future, because it's changing. It's going to change the industry it's in dramatically. What you're going to start seeing is you're going to say, "Holy, where did that come from?" It's coming. And it's in virtually every element of your life. So I want to share that with you, that I am, and then I want to invite you to become a part of this. And what is this? This is making millions of people multimillionaires and a few billionaires, because you don't have to satisfy yourself with Amazon at 27 and Meta at 26. You can double that. You can get 50%. There's some you can get 100%. I think it was last year, there were 176 stocks that exceeded 100% return. There's going to be more than 200 in 2026. So all you've got to do is find them. And it's easy to find them if you know where to look and the questions to ask. As I say, Samantha and I did that over the last 9 months. I'm quite confident we'll do it again. And I invite you, if you have the time, because this is not buy them and forget about it. This is something you dedicate time to, because again, you've got to know, you don't become a multimillionaire. You don't increase your portfolio just by buying mutual funds and ETFs or taking the advice of a talking head like me. You need to know what you own and why you own it. And that's what I give to my tribe members. I hope I can count you amongst them in the future. Go to the link in the description. Take a 14-day free look and you decide. Because truly, the decision is, do you want to be wealthy or not? And it's a yes, no. And if it's yes, then follow the road, get on the bus, and become a multimillionaire. It's that simple. Talk to you more.